Allison, this is so cool because Outside the Classroom is actually in studio. And so am I. That doesn't happen too often. New today, Outside the Classroom, we're talking about physics.
Yikes, I'm scared already. That was not a strong suit for me. Host and meteorologist Ryan Miller in the ABC7 Weather Center, as you said. He's there in studio with Michelle, and he's got the lesson for us. Hey, Ryan.
Hi there, Allison and Michelle. And yes, today's lesson had to do with physics. It had to do with analyzing things, and we're going to talk about what's happening right now. You can see a golf course on my sweatshirt as my head floats right above the Potomac River. And as I'm looking at you, I am standing in front of what's known as a chroma key or a green screen. And yes, my sweatshirt, in fact, is green. Here's how it works, actually, and this is something we discussed today on the show. It's physics, folks, and light, actually, visible light's going to come from the lights that are surrounding me all around this chroma key. As the light comes down, visible light is made up of all the colors of the rainbow: reds, orange, yellows, green, blue, violet, all the Roy G. Bivs that you learned in physics class. Well, the light comes down, it hits the chroma key, the screen that's behind me, the board, it hits my sweatshirt, and then bounces off and heads into the camera. As it heads into the camera, actually, there are pieces of equipment and software within the camera and a computer that will take out that green color and then take the green color and replace it with the color that is whatever we need to show, a map or a forecast graphic or any of those things. And so that, in fact, is what happens, and it's the green light that's being taken out by the computer and taken out of my sweatshirt as well that ultimately allows us to stand in front of the chroma key and point to things like, well, the piece of paper that's not green. Why is it green? Simply put, well, a lot of folks don't wear green when they're on television, and in the broadcast business, that's why this screen has been painted green, and that's why we call it a green screen. It could be blue, it could be purple, it could be any color that you'd see. We also wanted to provide the viewers of Outside the Classroom an idea of what it looks like from my perspective looking into the camera. And I wanted to invite our cameraman and our photographer from Outside the Classroom. This is Rich Wastadesegni, and he has been joining me all throughout the time of our show being on air. And as he is showing us, I'm giving you the view, really, from off of my shoulder is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the camera that's standing in front of me. Rich is behind me and showing you my perspective, my view. And so when I'm looking at the camera, I can see that there is a monitor, and we've got the time that's going to tell us what to do and how to watch the time so I don't go too long or too short. I have a little earpiece that I'm using so that Ashley, who is our producer, can let us know if I'm going too long or too short. And then, of course, we have the teleprompter. Inside that teleprompter is a monitor that projects onto this glass screen that's right here, or this fiberglass, it looks like, screen. And then ultimately the words that you see right here are not showing up, they're just projected onto a screen with the camera lens behind. So that's just a look here at some of the physics that's occurring at the chroma key, through the weather, and how you analyze all of these things from an outside the classroom perspective. Allison, back over to you.
Very, very cool. And everybody just got a sneak peek of the words I'm about to read because you saw them right there in the teleprompter. Now I have to ad-lib something more exciting.
What you can't see, Allison, though, are his sneakers. You got to tweet out a picture of those.
I'll see if I can take them off real quick here.
Those are the coolest.
Yes.
It's like a Doppler radar.
Let me see.
My Nike Weathermans.
You need those Air Force Ones.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, my favorite shoes.